If I had to build a founder brand on LinkedIn today from zero, knowing everything that I know about the platform now, I will do it very differently from how most founders and executives are doing it right now. Because the truth is, most founders are playing the wrong content game on LinkedIn. How many times have I seen this? Founders posting like freelancers and content creators and wondering why their inboxes actually stay silent. Newsflash: posting daily is not what grows your brand as a founder or an executive. Engagement is actually the least important metric to measure as a founder or executive, and LinkedIn is not a content platform for executives. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what I would do step by step if I was starting from scratch today as a founder or executive on LinkedIn. No random tips, no growth hacks, but a strategic blueprint for building a founder brand that attracts number one, opportunities, partnerships, clients, investors, and influence. And somewhere in the middle of this video, I'm going to explain the two types of content on LinkedIn and why most founders are creating the wrong content. Once you see that difference, it will completely change how you approach LinkedIn beginning from this moment. And then later in this video, I will show you the one mistake founders make on LinkedIn that quietly kills their opportunities. Now, let's get straight to the matter. Understanding the real game. Before we talk about tactics, we need to talk about the real game founders should be playing on LinkedIn. Most people think LinkedIn is a content platform, and sadly, some founders also treat LinkedIn that same way. LinkedIn is not a content or announcement platform like many founders use it. For founders and executives, LinkedIn is a business development engine. Can I say that again? LinkedIn is a business development engine. You're not on LinkedIn to entertain thousands of people. You are here to be unforgettable to the few people that should do business with you: investors, partners, high value clients, board members, industry leaders. That's your mission. Those are your targets on LinkedIn. And these people, they are not impressed by viral posts. They are impressed by clarity, expertise, and strategic thinking. So the goal for you as a founder executive is not to post more. It's not to post 10 times in a week. The goal is to position yourself better. And that starts with understanding the two types of content on LinkedIn. There are two types of content you will see on LinkedIn, and most founders don't know which one they should be creating. Content type 1: attention-based content. This kind of content is designed to generate likes, comments, reposts, impressions, very huge impressions. When you think of this content, you're thinking of viral hooks, relatable stories, trending takes, how I quit my job and then began as a freelancer, entertainment posts. This works very well for freelancers, consultants, service providers. Why? Because they need visibility at scale. They are selling to the crowd. The second type of content is intent-based content. This content is designed to position you as an authority. When you think of these kinds of content, you're thinking strategic insights, pattern recognition, you're thinking frameworks, you're thinking bold opinions. And this works best for founders, executives, and operators, because you're not trying to attract everyone. You're trying to attract the right opportunities to yourself. But here is where most founders still get this wrong, and I see this mistake every other day. Founders that are posting like influencers, executives that are chasing viral posts. Meanwhile, the people who could change their business, they scroll right past, because the truth is simple. The people with real opportunities don't care about viral storytelling. They care about strategic thinking. Now to the founder content ratio. So if I was starting from zero today as a founder executive, I will follow a very simple rule: 80 to 20 content principle. 80% of my content will be intent-based content that demonstrates how I think, how I solve problems as a CEO, as a founder, how I see patterns in the industry. Then 20% will be connection kinds of content, things that show people my personality, the lessons I'm learning from business, my experiences, and of course, my reflections, because people still want to know the human behind the brand. But authority must come first. If people don't see your expertise, connection content becomes just another story outline. So this is my exact LinkedIn blueprint, and I'm giving it to you free of charge. Now let me show you exactly what I would do if I were building a founder brand from the scratch. Step 1: positioning. I recently worked with a founder on their LinkedIn profile optimization. Now, this founder has built 3 successful businesses and has about 25 years of experience as founder and CEO. Yet their profile looked nothing like it, even their content. Positioning is the single most important thing we must first sort out when you're a CEO or a founder. Before writing a single post, I would answer one question: what do I want to be known for? Not 5 things, not 10 things, just one primary idea that I want to champion. Because on LinkedIn, clarity beats variety. If someone sees your content 3 times, they should instantly understand this is the person who talks about ABC. Step number 2: profile architecture. Next, I would optimize my profile, because many founders focus on content or they focus on their roles, but they forget that their profile is where decisions happen. The things that are important should be your banner, your profile picture, your headline. These are the first 3 things people see when they land on your profile, and they must communicate just one clear message. When somebody lands on your LinkedIn profile, they should immediately, in say 30 seconds, be able to know who you help, what you do, and why what you do actually matter. Step number 3: strategic content themes. Next, I will define 3 to 4 content pillars around that idea that I want to be known for. For example, as a founder or an executive, you might talk about industry insight, lesson from building the company, frameworks for solving problems within your business or your company, contrarian views about the market that you're playing it. These pillars become the engine of your authority in your field. So instead of guessing what to post every week, you always know the direction of your thinking. You know what you should be posting about. Step number 4: commenting strategy. This is something many founders underestimate. Commenting on LinkedIn is very powerful. LinkedIn is increasingly rewarding comment visibility, and smart founders, they use comments to enter important conversations. Number 2, be seen by the right audience. Number 3, demonstrate expertise in context. Some of the biggest opportunities on LinkedIn, they do not come from content, they do not come from posts, they come from conversations either in the comment section or in the DM. Step number 5: relationship building. Finally, I would treat LinkedIn like what it actually is: a networking platform, not a broadcasting platform. Every week, I will intentionally reach out to industry peers, potential partners, smart operators like myself, interesting founders and executives, because influence on LinkedIn is built through conversations, not only content. Very important. If there is one thing that I want founders and executives watching this video right now to understand, it is this: most people think personal branding is about posting more content. No, it's not. It's about clarity before content. When your thinking is clear, your positioning becomes super obvious, your content becomes sharper, and the right people start paying attention to you. So if you're a founder, executive, and you're building a presence on LinkedIn, I am curious, which of these ideas changed the way you think about LinkedIn the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to understand how your LinkedIn profile compares to the top 1% in your industry, I've created a LinkedIn profile audit scorecard that you can download in the description, and it takes you just 5 minutes. You will be able to evaluate your profile and see exactly what you need to improve on your profile. And if you found this helpful, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button, because I share more insights on this channel on building authority, writing online, and turning your expertise into influence and income. And also, I show you how to become recognized, respected, and rewarded for all your years of experience and brilliance in that industry. And if you like this video, my guess is that you will like this other video where I show you my simple framework for showing up on the internet and building impact, influence, and income. I will see you in the next video. In the meantime, stay legendary. Peace. I wanna wake up with you.